This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable pop-up windows in the LibreWolf web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the LibreWolf web browser opened up now. To enable or disable pop-up windows, it's very easy to do. The first thing you want to do is go off to the upper right-hand corner, up to where you see the 3-bar hamburger menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and click on Settings. Now on the page that opens up here, the pane off to the left-hand side, you want to click on Privacy and Security. Then on the center pane, you want to scroll down a little ways to where you see the Permissions section. And in the Permissions section, right down here, Block Pop-Up Windows. By default, this should be enabled to where pop-up windows are being blocked. If you want to enable pop-up windows, you would uncheck that box. But to disable pop-up windows, you want to check the box. And then off to the right here, you can do exceptions for particular websites. To be able to do pop-up windows, you would click on Exceptions. It says up here, you can specify which websites are allowed to open pop-up windows. You would paste the URL of the website in here, and you would go down to the bottom and click on Save Changes. That's if you want particular websites to use pop-up windows. Other than that, as long as this box is checked, your browser will disable pop-up windows. Thanks for watching.